Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today, we're going to continue on our process of using the $25 online business and promoting it on My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, this is day 2 of the process here. Now, as we can see here, let's refresh just to make sure you guys know. Make sure people refresh their results so you know for sure that's what they did. All right, so as you can see here, we got a sale yesterday. Now we got 120. See that $100 from a sale I did a while ago, so I'm still making money off of that. But that $20 is what I got from the My Lead Gen system. All right.
Nice.
And what we're gonna do, we're gonna make another email so we can promote it on My Lead Gen Secret. But as you can see, it works. That $20 came from My Lead Gen Secrets, not the 100, but the 20. The $20. They did not get the premium, so they'll probably only pay $20 every month. But as you can see, this works, right? So anyway, I can't show y'all the information, of course, but of course I'm using the all-in-one $25 business to promote this, which is what I've been using here, right there. This scene here, you probably seen this a bunch of times on my videos, but I just want to show y'all that there. So anyway, let's go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right, we sent this email here, full week and the money keeps climbing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna send here. We're gonna pick this, building my money up. We're gonna use this email. See, I got a bunch of emails already in the system, so I don't have to write them anymore. But for you guys, it's very easy to write an email. It's so easy to write an email. Or you can use the email I'm showing you now. See, you could just look at that right there and just type it in. I'm gonna go down it real slow so you guys can see the whole thing. Real slow, like that. And then I got an email there, and then I got my picture at the bottom there, which is a very good tip for some people. It makes the email more credible when you have like a photo or something like that. So if you can do it, make sure you put a photo with your signature. I did something a little funny. I edited my photo to make it look more picturesque. I made sure it kind of, if you can't hardly see it, but it got like it looks like it was stickered up there with tape. And anyway, yeah, I put that there like that. So the email is fine there. The link is pretty much go to this here. So we're just gonna send that mail there. Boom. We send that email. And make sure you hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send the email around the time people check their emails, so it ends up on top of the bag if they get a ton of emails. So they're more likely to check it out or look at it or click on it or whatever. Anyway, yeah, that's that, and that is done, guys. That's all it takes. It is so short. It's such a short process. It's crazy. I can't even make these videos that long. I could probably make these video TikToks, really. I could probably make them TikToks. And how short it takes to do this. You do this every day, you will get results. You know what I mean? Make sure the links are in the description, guys, for every single process I'm showing you. My Lead Gen Secrets, the $25 business, which I promote the most because it's 80% commission, guys. Not only is it 80% commissions, but you get paid 2 weeks after you see the money in your account. 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks. It takes a week to process it. And then whenever, payday for that next week. So for example, say I get a sale Wednesday. The payday is Thursday. I get a sale Wednesday, right? That next Wednesday, that money is ready to go. And I'll get that money that Thursday. You see what I'm saying? So it's not exactly 2 weeks. It's more like a week and some change. But yeah, you get the money real fast as well. And yeah, it's just a really nice affiliate system, and I think a lot of people should really be checking it out in general because it's recurring commissions. It's 80% recurring commissions. I've never seen anything like that. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All the links are in the description, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace.